Hey drone friends, this is Adam at UAV Coach and Drone Pilot Ground School. Happy Friday and welcome to our Drone Weekly News Roundup. I have 3 stories to share with you this week. And before we get started, I wanted to let you know that we are extending our Cyber Week sale until December 3rd. So until then, you can save $107 on Drone Pilot Ground School. Now, let's get back to the stories. Our first story will cover how the Pentagon's Replicator program could make a big impact on domestic drone production. Next, we'll give you a rundown on remote ID broadcast modules. And finally, we talk about drones being used to deliver AEDs for cardiac arrest. Also, here are some job listings in the drone industry this week for anyone interested. Real Estate Photo Pros is currently seeking a real estate photographer in Fort Collins, Colorado. FlySafe USA has an opening for a drone pilot in Chicago, Illinois. And if you're based in Grand Rapids, Michigan, Heart Creative is looking for a photographer to join their team. Additionally, Info Object is on the lookout for a drone pilot in Hollister, California. Stay tuned for more exciting opportunities in the rapidly growing drone industry. With that said, let's fly in. The Pentagon's Replicator program was made to quickly ramp up US defense technology so it can compete with China. The goal of the program is speed and scale, aiming to crank out multiple thousands of autonomous systems across multiple domains within 2 years. Put simply, the Pentagon wants to make a lot of small, disposable robotic systems for defense applications really fast. And one of the categories it's focused on is drones. Specifically, the program calls for making thousands of AI-powered drones. This focus could have a huge impact on US drone production since the Pentagon plans to pump a large amount of money into US infrastructure to buy and possibly help make these drones. The first round of drone companies selected will be announced this December. It will definitely be interesting to observe the unfolding events and see how everything progresses. Our next story is talking about remote ID modules. The FAA has pushed back enforcement of the remote ID until March, so now is a great time to consider getting compliant. If you have an older drone model, you need to attach a remote ID broadcast module to your drone. Here are some of the remote ID broadcast modules out there: the Drone Tag Beacon, the Drone Tag Mini, the Drone Tag BS, the AeroPing, and the Bluemark DB120 beacon. We recently published a video reviewing all of the drone tag modules, which we'll link down below. If you buy a drone tag module, make sure to use the code in the description to get 10% off anytime from now until December 16th. And finally, a new study that was published in the prestigious medical journal The Lancet finds that drones can deliver automatic external defibrillators, or AEDs, quicker than ambulances 67% of the time. AEDs are used to help people experiencing cardiac arrest by delivering an electric shock to restore a normal heart rhythm. The study was conducted over a period of 11 months in region Västra Götaland. The partnership involved Everdrone's innovation team and researchers from the Center for Resuscitation Science at Karolinska Institute in Sweden. In addition to demonstrating that drones can be faster than an ambulance, the study finds that using drones to deliver life-saving equipment produces clear-cut results and data that proves the system's logistic viability. And before we wrap up, I wanted to let you know that we are getting voting set up for our November drone fails submissions. So be on the lookout for that and start submitting for December. All right, that's all we have for this week. As always, check out the links below to read more about each story. Also, show us some love by subscribing to our channel and liking this video. And now I'll pass it off to you. What do you think of the Pentagon's Replicator program? And what about remote ID modules? Comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. I hope you all have a great weekend, and to all of our drone pilots out there, blue skies and safe flying.